Hey everybody, Charles here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the tail light in a Ford Escape. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today we'll be changing the tail light in this 2008 Ford Escape, and the procedure will be similar in almost any Escape, but be sure you know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. As we go, I'll be pointing out minor differences you might see. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you have your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the back hatch and locate the two screws that are securing the tail light assembly. If you've got a late model Escape, these will be 8mm bolts. In our 08, we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver, or if you've got bolts on your model, use the socket to remove them and set them aside someplace safe. Pull back on the assembly directly towards the rear of the vehicle to disengage it. On this model, each bulb is attached by a wire. The bulbs can be removed from the assembly by turning them counterclockwise, then lifted carefully out of the assembly. If you're changing the bulb on a late model Escape, just unplug the wiring harness from the assembly to detach it. In any case, pull gently on the bulb that needs to be replaced to remove it from its socket. If you're installing LED bulbs, test them before putting them back into the assembly. If one isn't working, rotate it 180 degrees and reinstall it. Turn each bulb clockwise to secure it in the assembly. If you detach the wiring harness, reattach it now and slide the assembly back into place. Use your screwdriver or socket to secure the assembly using the screws or bolts you removed previously. Close the back hatch. We recommend changing bulbs in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.